Yes, my beautiful peeps. Vibe massive. Check in. Watch what go on, peeps. Yeah, man, today we are go up on the road, you know? Yeah, we peeps. We are go up on the road, go look about T.R.N today. So stay tuned, watch what go on for that. Yeah, man. So if you're new to the channel, people, just give the video a subscribe and a like, you know? Yeah, man. No joke. So yes, my people, welcome to all the new viewers, you know. Welcome to all the new subscribers. Yes, all the old subscribers, thank you still there here, you know. So as I say, my peeps, we are going on the road today, Morant Bay town. We are now in Center Ear Castle. Yeah, man, so we're going on the road today, go look after with T.R.N guys. First time looking after my T.R.N. Feeling so proud, you know. Yeah, man, I appreciate all of you guys be here. So stay tuned, watch what go on, enjoy the rest of the video. Yes, people, check in, watch what go on. Yes, viewers and subscribers. Yes, people, me get the T.R.N look boat and now, so. Yes, people, I can now able to collect things on my own, you know. Yeah, man, I can now collecting on my own. So stay tuned, watch what go on. When I can't show the Morant Bay town with me now, guys. Yeah, man. Morant Bay Center Mass. That is it. Yeah, peace, man. I go back catch you on something, man. One of the. When I all CLM, something I bring in with me, you know? Yeah, man. Bring it, make it so hard. Go on. Yeah, my peeps. Morant Bay, welcome. Yeah, man, stay tuned, watch what go on. So yes, my people, if you are in Morant Bay and I look for a nice guest hotel around us this spring, you know? Barefoot guest house, nature way, Morant Bay, around there, some peeps. Yeah, man. Yeah, in the home of Morant Bay town. Even.